Making video ads used to be very hard. You need editing skills, you need to know how to write good prompts, but not anymore. Because today I'm gonna show you how Claude writes the perfect prompt for you, and Seedance 2.0 will convert that to a high quality 4K video ad. You only have to upload your product image and that's it. So let me show you exactly how. So as you can see, I'm inside my Claude and here I'm using the Claude desktop application. If you want, you can continue it through the Claude browser. So here our only one task is we only have to upload the product image, and based on that Claude will give the prompt as I already told you in the intro. So before uploading the product image, let me show that in I'm using the latest model of Claude, which is Opus 4.8, because Claude Fable 5 is currently unavailable. And here let me just go with upload a product image just by clicking this plus and then go with add files or photos, and let's go with this product image. As you can see, the image has been taken from phone, like it's a very normal image, right? It's a little bit blurry, and now I can do two things. I can simply say to my Claude that just give me a prompt for that product so that I can generate a video ad for that. Okay, and that's the normal way, that's the general way. What I would like if we do something different. So for that, in here I already made a skill, and that skill will just do everything. In that case, I only have to just activate that skill. What the skill will do, the skill will basically analyze this product image and it will find out what will be the ad format, what will be the resolution, what will be the aspect ratio, how will be the duration, and after finding everything, it will just give me the complete ready to use prompt. I don't have to say everything from myself every time, and I'll show you obviously how I made that skill, so no worries at all. So in here I only have to activate that skill. So for that, let me just type slash Seedance add generator skill, which is this one. Okay, so after that I don't have to do anything because Claude knows that what it have to do if I activate that skill. Let me just go with send. So as you can see, Claude is already working, and here you can see it's saying that I'm reading the skill properly, what it really have to do. And if I just open the skill, that's the skill in here. So the skill will work in a very simple way. It will announce the product image, and after that it will ask three questions to me. What will be the ad format, what will be the duration, and how will be the aspect ratio. Do you want a vertical video or do I want a like a horizontal video ad? So in here already you can see that it asked me the first question, which is the ad format, and here I can choose that like something else if I have in my mind, and it already referring me these four types. So let me go with a TV spot type, and now it's asking me the second question, what will be the aspect ratio. Let me go with a 9:16 vertical shape, and what will be the duration. Let me go with 15 seconds. Okay, if I just come across that, you can see how it's asking me that. Let me just go with 15 seconds, and now it's working on that. And let me show the skill in here. So the skill, after analyzing the product image, it just asking me three questions, and after getting the three answers, it will go with a normal flow. So basically in here I already added 9 type of ad format. This skill will work on these 9 type of ad formats. If you want, you can just add more formats like based on your needs. So the first ad format is the UGC, the second one is tutorial, unboxing, hypermotion type, product review, TV spot type, wildcard type, UGC virtual try-on, pro virtual try-on. For every type I simply say that like how will be that exact ad. So for example, if I say the tutorial type, and the tutorial type will be clear, educational, satisfying, step by step. Platform field will be how to content, Pinterest style, save worthy. Structure will be problem hook type, and that's how it have to just work with the time steps. And then the camera style will be clean, overhead or eye level, and the character will be competent, friendly demonstrator, and it have to avoid these kind of things like first cuts, flashy transitions, unclear product image, because the first cuts and flashy transitions, these are the part of hypermotion. So that's why for the tutorial style it have to avoid those things. And as like this also I made the rest of the 8 types, and after just getting the answers it will go with this process. And it already worked with this first two process. It already analyzed the image and also it got the DNA of the ad format, and now it's working on the third process, and it already did that. So the third process is it will just give me the prompt, the ready to use prompt. Okay, I don't have to just tweak anything, something like this. If I want, I can say that, you know what, in this exact thing I didn't like that, so can I just change something else or do that instead of doing that, and it will do that. And here's the structure of the prompt. There will be an opening hook, there will be a core sequence, payoff moment, and a closing shot, like how a professional ad reel looks like. in that structural way, it will just give me the prompt. And also there's a prompt structure, like how you have to give the prompt, and as you can see that based on the prompt structure it has given me the prompt. And there's a strict output rules where I say that what kind of things it have to must avoid while giving me the prompt. And lastly there's a quality standards, like I say that what kind of things it have to remember that so that it can give me a 10 out of 10 prompt. Here's our result in front of you. As you can see, I only have to just copy the prompt like this, and then I'll go to the Seedance 2.0, and in here for using the Seedance 2.0 I'm using the Higgsfield. Okay, I'd given the link in the description, and recently Higgsfield introduced Seedance 2.0 4K resolution. It's mean you can generate 4K video ads. That's the highest quality video ad right now that's possible with Seedance 2.0. So our first task is we have to upload the product image just by going with this option. And here let me just go with upload the media, and I'll upload the same product image that I uploaded for Claude, which is this one. And after that, in this exact place, the prompt, I only have to just paste the prompt that Claude has given me. Further, I'll just go to the Claude, and then I'll just copy that, and then I'll just go back to Higgsfield, and here I'll just paste that. And in here we'll just go with sound on, because we obviously need the music or the sound, the background voice. And now I have to give the duration. For that, let me just click the duration, and let's go with 15 second, because in here we already choose 15 second. And inside the Seedance 2.0 you can generate minimum 4-second video and maximum 15 second. Aspect ratio we already choose 9:16, which is the vertical shape, so that's why we'll go with 9:16. And here as you can see we already choose 4K resolution, and again if you want you can go with 1080 pixel, but let's go with the maximum resolution, and that will give us a very high quality video. The problem with AI video generation is that it gives us very low quality video, and that's how people can understand very easily that your content is AI generated. For that reason your content value just dropped. If you're doing that for content generation, or if you're doing that for video ad generation, for whatever purposes you're doing that, it's very important to upload a very high quality video. And now it will be very hard for general people to guess that your content is AI generated. So let me just go with now generate just by clicking the generate option. As you can see, it started the work, and soon we'll get the video in here. By the way guys, if you're really interested to learn more about AI, then you can join my private school community, the Hello AI. Inside there you'll get access to all of my premium level lessons with ready-made templates, workflows, AI agents. And not only these, also we do live session call every week where you can join and ask me anything there. And as a community member, you'll get direct support from us. So while learning, if you're stuck anywhere, you'll get the direct help from us. So if you're really interested to learn more about AI, whether you want to implement AI on your own business, or you want to start a business through AI, or you want to make a way to make money through AI, then this community is a perfect fit for you. I've given the link in the description. Join now. And about the skill that you are using, the Seedance ad generator skill, I hope that you can make that by yourself. You only have to just go to the Claude skill section, and there you can manually type the instructions by name of Seedance ad generator skill, what it really have to do. And the second way, which is the most easiest way, you only have to just say that to the Claude that you want to make a skill, and that skill have to exactly do this kind of things. For example, for this skill, you can say to Claude, I want you to build me a skill by name of Seedance ad generator, and that skill will exactly work in this way. If I just upload a product image, and then if I type there /Seedance ad generator, then the skill will be activated. And after the activation, it will just ask 3 questions to me. First of all, what kind of ad format I want, and these are the ad formats I like. As you saw that I added like 9 ad type of formats. And the next question, it will ask me the aspect ratio. Do I want a vertical video or do I want a horizontal video? The third question, it will ask me how will the duration in between 4 to 15 seconds. And after that, it will give me a complete ready to use prompt so that I can use that inside Seedance 2.0. In this case, I said here that I want to use the Seedance 2.0 inside Higgsfield, and based on that it's just giving me the prompt, and that's will just make a skill like this. But if you need the exact skill that I'm using here, I added that inside the community. So if you just join in the community, and then if you go in the classroom section, and then if you go in the skills section, and you'll get so many skills related with different video ads. So for today's skill, you only have to come to Seedance ad skill. Then if you go in the resources, and after that just go with get this skill, and you can simply download that markdown file or the skill. So after just downloading the skill, you only have to go to your Claude, and then you have to go to the customize section just like this, and then just go to the skills, and then go with add, then go with create a skill, and then go with upload a skill. And now simply you have to upload the skill that you downloaded from the community. Then the Seedance ad generator skill will be activated inside your Claude. So now let's go back to Higgsfield to see the video ad. As you can see, the video ad's ready. Let me just play that for you. The ad is really cool and I really like that. I want to give 10 out of 10. Okay, in here we choose a TV commercial type of ad inside our Claude, so that's why you can see the ad is like this. And if you want to go with like use this type of ad, it will be different. If you want to go with like hypermotion, it will be different. So let's go with another type of ad. For that, I'll just go to the Claude, and in here you can see we are in the same session. And let's say that we want to make a hypermotion type of ad. So let me say in here simply for that exact product, let's go with a hypermotion type ad. And this time the aspect ratio will be 60:9 horizontal video, and the duration will be like 10 seconds. And again, if you want, you can simply say that activate that skill. In that case, it will activate that skill and it will ask the 3 questions again from the beginning. But in this case, I just simply given the answers, so that's why it's not asking me the questions. Instead, it's just giving me the complete ready to use prompt. So for that, again, I'll just copy the prompt and then I'll go to Higgsfield, and here I'll just delete the previous prompt just like this, and then I'll just paste that. And then in here I'll just go with the duration, and as you saw that we choose 10 seconds, so that's why I'll choose 10 seconds. And in the place of aspect ratio, let's go with 60:9, because in the prompt I already said that we want to make a 60:9, it's mean a horizontal video. And now let's go with generate again. So here's the generated video. We requested for 10-second video, so that's why it's 10. And that was a hypermotion video ad, and as you can see, it's really insane. So yeah, that's the thing you can do with Claude. You can just make a skill, and based on that it will just give you the prompt. You only have to just upload the project image. You don't need to give so many stuffs from yourself. It actually saving tons of time and tons of efforts. So yeah, that's the whole video. I hope that this video helped you. If yes, then please drop a like, and if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And as like always, see you in the new video, guys. Till then, peace.